What kind of gigs did your father do?
All kinds of, non-Jewish gigs. I mean, he played with symphony orchestra, and he played in nightclubs all over Cleveland. He was very popular. The records gave him that kind of popularity that made people want to come and see the Borscht Capades.
What was Borscht Capades?
It was a Yiddish American variety show where people who were used to not hearing any Yiddish because of anti-Semitism could go and laugh and love hearing the music of their forefathers and their fathers. So really there was a need. And it started in LA, and then he toured all over the Europe. And I think he was even in Japan, Brazil. There were Jews